Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PCTL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that is where the green line there is coming from. And overall, a good solid day. Yeah, the price pulled back a little bit out of kind of the earlier portion of the day. But when you combined a little bit more context, what do I mean by that? Well, let's remember what was going on Friday towards the pretty much the entire afternoon. The price was pulling back. So at that point, it became a very valid question of, is this beginning of the end? What exactly is going on? But got the answer, no. Apparently, that's not the beginning of the end, because not only did the price turn around, it's not like it's exploded, but the part that stands out to me is that after it stopped going down, and now all of a sudden you look at where these lows are at, and these lows have gotten higher and higher all day long. And if you envision those as stair steps, now you have some stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. Now, don't get me wrong. Just because you have some stair steps going in the upwards direction does not mean that this thing is, for sure going up over 2 cents. But I think, I can safely speak for, those that are longs that, hey, stair steps doing something like this is much better than what was occurring Friday, for, the entire afternoon when all the price was doing was dropping. So I'm, these higher stair steps are definitely a very bullish sign in that regard compared to, how it used to be within that context of, Friday afternoon where the price just continued to drop. So that's the, the first initial level to keep an eye on. Is just, kind of the overall idea that those stair steps are in play. As far as the overarching level of support, watch that purple line there, which is the 50-period moving average. I'm not going to assign a numerical value to it because, as the name tells us, it's a moving average, meaning that purple line will continue to move itself as the week plays out, and therefore its value is going to change. But the point here is just stay up above there, and then that implies that the overall trend is still fully in the bull's favor. And then as far as levels of resistance are concerned, you still have that initial level right here at basically 0.015, and then after 0.015, nothing until where the price essentially ran out of steam back on Friday. And that's right up there around 0.018, 0.019. But overall, nice recovery today. Good to see that the downwards momentum, has eased up, and we'll see if the bulls can continue to build upon this or not. The week is young, still 4 days left. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.